Welcome. Now we will solve some numericals on converter fed DC drive. The question is like this: the speed of a 230 volt 1200 rpm 10 HP separately excited DC motor is controlled by single phase full converter. Rated motor current is 38 ampere. Armature resistance is 0.3 ohm. AC supply voltage is 260 volt. Motor current is continuous and ripple free. First bit, for alpha equals to 30 degree and rated motor current, calculate the torque, speed and supply power factor. Second bit, by reversing the field flux, machine is made to regenerate. Calculate alpha to keep motor current at its rated value and power fed back to the supply. So, we will solve this numerical, which is for a separately excited DC motor fed from a single phase full converter. Okay. So, first thing we will determine the back EMF constant. So, for that we have to determine the back EMF at rated speed equals to EB rated equals to VA minus IA R. Rated voltage is 230 volt minus rated current is 38 ampere and armature resistance is 0.3 ohm. This is find this. Then rated speed omega m equals to 2 pi into 1200 rpm by 60 radian per second. So, back EMF constant, which we denote as K phi, is EB rated by omega m. EB is 230 minus 38 into 0.3 divided by omega m is 2 pi into 1200 by 60 radian per second. So, you compute it, it is 1.73956 volt per radian per second. Then first bit will, this is the motor parameter, motor back EMF constant. First bit, motor current IA is 38 ampere as current is rated current. So, torque depends upon the current only. So, back EMF constant is the proportionality constant. So, motor torque TE equals to K phi IA. K phi is same as the back EMF constant 1.73956 into 38. You compute it, it is coming around 66.1 Newton meter. Then alpha is 60 degree, alpha is given as firing delay angle is 30 degree. So, VA output voltage of the converter is 2 into root 2 Vs by pi cos alpha is, that is 2 into root 2 Vs is 260 volt divided by pi into cos 30 degree. You find out this is 202.72 volt. This is the voltage applied to the motor at alpha equals to 30 degree. Then EB, back EMF EB is VA minus IAR A. VA is 202.72 minus IA is 38 rated current and 0.3. So, it is 191.32 volt. Then motor speed equals to EB divided by back EMF constant K phi. So, EB is 191.32 back EMF at alpha equals to 30 degree, back EMF constant is constant 1.73956 volt per radian per second, and this much of radian per second, this is in radian per second, equals to 191.32 divided by 1.73956 radian per second into 60 by 2 pi rpm. So, you find out it is 1050 rpm. Then we will find out the power factor. Active power from supply divided by supply volt ampere. Motor current IA is 38 ampere DC. Supply current waveform like this. This is plus 38, this is minus 38. So, this is supply current IS here. So, RMS supply current IS is, you can determine from this waveform, IS is also 38 ampere. So, then power factor is VA IA divided by Vs into Is, because it is a single phase case. So, VA is determined as 202.72, VA is already determined, IA is the DC current 38 ampere, Vs is 260 volt and Is is also 38 ampere. So, power factor is, you can compute 0.78. Then we will go to the second bit. As the field reversal is made, back EMF EB equals to becomes minus 191.32 volt. Just before the field flux reversal, at that flux and at that speed, back EMF was 191.32 volt. Then just after the reversal, because field flux is reversed, speed is same. So, back EMF is just reverse minus 191.32. So, apply the KVL. What is the converter voltage VA? That is EB plus IARA. You apply the KVL, you will find this. EB is now minus 191.32, IA is 38 and RA is 0.3. So, you find out VA, it is minus 179.92 volt. Now, VA output voltage of the converter is 2 into root 2 Vs by pi cos alpha. So, what is cos alpha? VA into pi divided by 2 into root 2 Vs. So, VA is now minus 179.92, this is VA into pi divided by 2 into root 2 Vs is 260. So, you find out cos alpha and hence you determine alpha equals to what we can determine. Then another point, power feedback. Power feedback to the supply equals to magnitude of the VA into IA. Magnitude of the VA is 179.92 and IA is 38 ampere. So, you can compute, it is 6837 watt. So, this is the solution to numerical 1. We will solve the second numerical. The question is like this: the speed of a 20 HP 230 volt 900 rpm DC series motor is controlled by a single phase semi converter. Combined field and armature circuit resistance is 0.15 ohm. Motor constants are KKF product is 0.03 Newton meter per ampere square and K phi residual is 0.075 volt per radian per second. These constants are already explained while discussing the theory. So, symbols are mentioned there. Now, AC supply voltage is 260 volt, motor current is continuous and ripple free. Calculate the motor torque, current and supply power factor for alpha equals to 30 degree and 900 rpm speed. We will solve this numerical. So, for 900 rpm speed, which is motor's rated speed and the speed in the question, for n equals to 900 rpm, omega is 2 pi into 900 by 60, which is 94.25 radian per second. Now, for single phase semi converter, which is there in the question, output voltage of the converter VA is, motor current is continuous. So, root 2 Vs by pi 1 plus cos alpha. Here closing bracket is missing, and for DC series motor you have VA equals to IA total resistance plus Kf IA omega plus K residual into omega, where KAF is Ka into Kf and K residual is K into phi residual. So, VA is root 2 into 260 by pi 1 plus cos 30 degree, that you find out it is 218.4 volt. Then from the equation, IA is VA minus K phi residual into omega divided by R plus KKF omega. From the equation you find out this. So, VA is 218.4 minus K phi residual is 0.075 into 94.25 divided by R is 0.15 plus KKF is 0.03 into 94.25 using the values. So, this is 70.98. So, torque is KF IA square plus K phi residual into IA. K phi residual is one constant, KF is one constant. So, KF is given 0.03. Now, IA is 70.98 its square plus K phi residual is 0.075 and 70.98 is IA. So, you compute it, torque 156.1454 Newton meter. So, supply volt ampere, supply current wave form, supply current wave form. Say alpha to pi, it is plus IA, then pi to pi plus alpha is the freewheeling interval, then pi plus alpha to 2 pi, it is minus IS. This is the supply current waveform. This is the IS. So, RMS supply current Is is, you can see from this waveform, pi minus alpha divided by pi root over into Ia. So, it is 150, alpha is 30 degree, it is given. So, 150 divided by 180 root over into Ia is, let us write Ia. So, it is root over of 5 by 6, Ia is 70.98 ampere. Then supply volt ampere. Ampere starts with capital A, by mistake small a is written, equals to Vs Is, Vs is 260 into Is is 70.98 into root over of 5 by 6. This is Is equals to, we calculate, supply power equals to Va into Ia. Va is determined as 218.4, it is already determined Va, and Ia is 70.98. So, supply power factor equals to Va Ia divided by Vs Is, and you compute it, 0.92. Then we will solve another numerical on 3-phase drive, 3-phase converter fed drive. The question is like this: the speed of a 125 HP, 600 volt, 165 ampere, 1800 RPM separately excited DC motor is controlled by 3-phase full converter. The converter operates from 3-phase 480 volt supply. Armature resistance is 0.0874 ohm. No load motor current is 10% of rated current. First bit, find no load speed at alpha equals to 30 degree, find alpha to obtain rated speed at rated current, compute supply power factor and speed regulation for this alpha. We will solve this numerical, which is on 3-phase converter fed DC drive. So, first we will determine at rated speed, which rated speed of 1800 RPM, back EMF EB equals to V rated minus I rated into armature resistance. V rated is 600 volt, I rated is 165 ampere, and armature resistance is 0.0874. Okay. So, from this, omega rated is 2 pi, rated speed is 1800 RPM by 60 in radian per second. Then back EMF constant EB is back EMF constant, which is K phi, that is EB divided by omega rated, that is EB is 600 minus 165 into 0.0874 and omega rated is 2 pi into 1800 by 60. So, this is 0.3253 volt per RPM, volt per RPM, not volt per radian per second. So, you can find out K phi is EB divided by N rated. EB is 600 minus 165 into 0.0874, this is the EB, and N rated is 1800 RPM. So, it is 0.3253 volt per RPM. Okay. So, at alpha equals to 30 degree, V A equals to 3 into root 2 V L by pi cos alpha. 3 root 2 V L is 480 by pi cos alpha. So, it is 648.23 cos alpha. So, V A equals to 648.23 into cos 30 degree, which is 561.384 volt. No load current I A 0 is 10% of 165, so 16.5 ampere. So, I have no load back EMF, which is, let us denote it as EB 0, that is V A minus I A 0 into R A. So, V A is 561.384, I A is 16.5 and armature is 0.0, resistance is 0.0874, that is 559.94 volt. अतः no load speed is EB 0 divided by K phi. EB 0 is 559.94 and Ka phi is 0.3253 volt per RPM. This is volt. So, you get speed in RPM, you find out speed in RPM, no load speed. Second bit, at rated speed, which is 1800 RPM, and rated current, which is 165 ampere. Motor voltage is also the rated value, has to be rated value, because speed is rated. So, back EMF is rated and current is rated. So, voltage is rated. Rated value, that is V A equals to 600 volt. Then V A is 3 into root 2 V L by pi cos alpha. V A is 600 volt and this is V A 3 into root 2 into 480 by pi cos alpha. So, you get cos alpha equals to value 600 divided by 648.23. So, it is 0.9256 and alpha you get 22.24 degree. First part. Then supply current waveform. So, let us say this is phase voltage, supply phase voltage, then this is the supply current waveform. Duration of this is 120 degree and duration of this is also 120 degree and this is 60 degree, 60 degree. This is omega t. Supply current waveform is shown as in the red color. So, RMS supply current IS is 240 by 360 root over into motor current IA, that is root over of 2 by 3 into supply current is 165 ampere. Supply volt ampere root 3 VL into IS, root 3 VL is 480 into root over of 2 by 3 into 165 is the supply current. Active power from supply equals to VA into IA. VA is 600, VA is the voltage 600 and IA is 165. So, using this you can compute power factor equals to active power divided by supply V. You can compute it. Then because speed is given the rated speed at rated current, that is rated load. Rated current means load is also rated and speed is also rated, which is N rated, that is 1800 RPM. At alpha equals to 30 degree, it is given, no, at alpha equals to at alpha equals to 22.24 degree, no load speed NO equals to VA minus IA 0 RA by K phi. So, N0 is VA, VA is 648.23, VA is 600 because everything is rated, no load current is 16.5 and resistance is 0.0874 divided by Ka phi is 0.3253, K phi is in volt per RPM and this is in volt numerator. So, you find out N0 which is 1840 RPM. Then speed regulation equals to N0 minus N rated divided by N rated into in percentage into 100 this. So, N0 is 1840, rated speed is 1800 and divided by 1800 into 100%. Thank you for attention.